Good morning. This is Japanese Economic Review Channel. Let's review yesterday's market movements from Monday, April 6, 2026. The Japanese market experienced a significant surge in the morning, driven by high-tech optimism, but transitioned into a cautious stance by the close as investors awaited major global political news. Yesterday's session began with strong momentum, briefly pushing the Nikkei above the 54,000 level. While easing supply chain fears and confirmed energy reserves provided relief, the gains were ultimately capped by an extreme wait-and-see attitude ahead of the impending U.S. presidential press conference. Looking at yesterday's final figures, the Nikkei 225 closed at 53,413.68, up 290.19 points. In contrast, the Topix saw a marginal decline of 0.39 points. In the currency markets, the yen remained weak, trading at approximately 159 against the dollar and 184 against the euro. The intraday chart shows a peak at 11:24 a.m., reaching 54,039 points following a buying spree in the AI and semiconductor sectors. However, the afternoon session was characterized by a steady decline, as heavy upper resistance and cautious posturing took over the market sentiment. Key tailwinds yesterday included the confirmation of Japanese vessels safely navigating the Strait of Hormuz. Additionally, market caution was lifted by official statements confirming that domestic naphtha stockpiles are secure for at least 4 months of demand. Sector-wise, yesterday saw a clear rotation. Shipping, non-ferrous metals, and banking were among the 16 advancing sectors, as risk-on sentiment returned to value stocks. Conversely, mining and utility sectors lagged, pressured by shifting commodity expectations and a reduction in geopolitical risk premiums. Notable gainers yesterday included NYK Line in shipping and Hoya in precision instruments. In the financial sector, MUFG and SMFG saw gains, while retail giants such as Fast Retailing and Seven and IHD also remained resilient throughout the session. The Growth Market 250 Index continued its upward trend yesterday. Broad buying was observed in next-generation sectors, specifically deep tech and space, with companies like Astroscale and PowerX catching strong bids as broader market caution began to recede. In corporate news from yesterday, Nikkei secured a major contract to supply LNG pumps to Germany. Additionally, Maidenshaw partnered with Singapore's Land Transport Authority, showcasing the continued global expansion and technical expertise of Japanese enterprise tech firms. Domestic consumer news yesterday featured Meiji HD's launch of a new yogurt product and Suzuki's full model change for its luxury commuter scooter. Regional banking also showed evolution, with Musashino Bank launching a new health management consulting service for its clients. The primary factor that sidelined institutional capital yesterday was the 2 AMJ/STUS presidential press conference. This event acted as a ceiling on intraday gains, and its outcome will likely dictate the global risk appetite for today's opening session. Thank you for watching the Japanese Economic Review. We look forward to having you with us again.